Abusia election era mu ena ye wono na ensem bebre na ena enam emontene so ebi eye nokre ebi so enye nokre na video bi a enam montene so amede eba beso mu fi abayo bi e fe no Maria Amwakubodu ha wo kire se ofi ye president abusuamu na eba na ensem a wode aba beto abontene in fact ama abusuane mu achemienu ebi akwakodi NDC afa ebi nso akwakodi alanafa ensem ben ena obey ede aba ama etimi ama abusuane mu achemienu sansem no ena mede ba beso mu ansa na no mekai wo se aha eye too much so onye ya subscribe ma page ni mi adoma no so sa no upload bi aba onsa ebetimi aka abusuan Maria Amwakubodu eye abawe bi a obutu America bochimemu eho ena odi ne dwuma no ofi ho abagana na wo kire se ajapade Addo na hopes na doye eka ho nsem no ono ena e breaking no 2020 no breaking ye no Ghana for amfanya asem kosi se hopes so edna no betu na fe mu hu se na ajapade Addo no eye nsem a na busuan na ne mu efiri mu ba na eye enhwehye ya ebusuano akọ se wo mo de ba bebo oman no abro na abayo kasa na wo kire se beebi a ajapade Addo no efiri ba no se efiri otumfo ne hokafo eye Lady Julia ho na odesa book no esuma ya me de bre no ebusuan ma yenko ne nkote se ne abayo ne se kan nsem ene ekwa efa so a otumfo ere ebepie nsem no.
If I've been able to bash my own uncles, President Akufo-Addo is my mother's first cousin.
Really?
Yes, me mama, papa. President Mami, Kenoforiata papa. They are siblings.
President Mami Fiabomosu, right?
Chebi.
Chebi.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
All my siblings. My mother was Mesoforiata.
I see.
Yes. And the end, my name was Gabi Munina, and I know Foriata the first. Including President Aku. Inti enyan chen be asembi 2020 no. It was a shock to Edipa Bibris. No be a wo to MPP mo grandfather, Mr. Grandfather name Mr. BJ Darocha, first chairman of.
Really?
Oh yes. My grandmother, my biological maternal grandmother, only BJ Darocha and one last born. My mama no mo 10. The 10th of them no. Ne papa name Mr. BJ Darocha. So I grew up knowing him as my grandfather.
Really?
Yes, Adam me wedding. Yes, me not them hobby. Growing up, I knew Mr. Jenny Mbuante, and then my own father as well was the first member of parliament for Kaikwe North constituency 92. But I'm saying so one cause and I said now.
Yeah, 92 MPP boycotting.
Now me a teenager. And I left here 95. 90 there about 94 95 and in the man said who also your papa juma why you need to me na follow Ghana politics the mama ba Ghana politics was 2020 because na a lockdown and you fee against my uncle President Akufo-Addo because it is President Akufo-Addo that wants to impose Dr. Bawumia on Ghana and it is not done anyway. I mean, I'm pacho what tibida he for crossing a president it me impose the successor on the entire nation. They are my uncles, they are my blood, and I know the damage they've caused to this country.
What kind of damage?
Jabade document. Have you read it?
Yes.
Yes. Me break here Jabade document 1st of December 2020, 11 p.m.
I see.
Ghana fansha da fanyasem. Thanks to Hope Senadoye, and I feel Jabade nipa bibri ajedi. And so be catch say NDC in a tro Jabade documenta. E bia me wa bruchre na me ka Ghana for be feels o ti abuche no ka me Akufo-Addo wo fa se me gina Ghana asase so enewie na me
nti omoma police for bechiwa because na almost say obi ayi bibi dia show ubetni akire ba bia onye free
metu akire ba bia menye free yes because I've already made it public.
Really?
Yes, I've made it public. It came from only pakono de breme no e ka kire me mefu a meti he say Lady Julia Otumfo yere and e ka say yen fam breme Otumfo yere is related to us.
Hey.
Yes. Meanwhile, what do I stand to gain? Say, yeah, but you can say, "My babu banko do you know me?"
I teach you. Oh yes, oh yes, I know. Aha, state capture no. We are family member. What do you know?
What I know is what I've read in the Jabade document, and it all makes a lot of sense to me. Almost everything in there has been executed. And knowing them previously, knowing them now, no.
Previously, don't you almost say?
No, they are my family members. So you find so Biba land now wouldn't send and the circumstances at here before.
You been say tell us.
Okay, but we say now my cousin be or say Sebi. I see me see binti and okoto ayi wakwa mo ba na ye fie he na mudidi na se ne mo ba na mo de da Claridge's, World of Astoria, Park Lane, Hilton, 5-star hotel
at night omoji be say
those hotels okay there was a time they said so buachi buy
Okay.
Because I know one of the 5-star hotels. Now, brief meeting be right there, and then I check the rate. You do reception at Miss Amibi. I was over £700 a night.
I see.
What did I make? And say. So I think some of us have seen a lot. We know them. I know them, and let me tell you something. I have a lot of family members. Almost friend me bomb my bus so catch them. Say any
family. No.
Of course, Oforiata or Biocra the name of Oforiata Bia Priya. Say of Ferry, and so growing up.
No, so hold on. Which means. Okay, so in percentage, family no money pa disagree with Akufo-Addo and Bawumia's behavior.
Well, all my meme are very close to Nidi. I can tell you, almost everybody. We have these conversations all the time.
Really?
As family members, yes, we do. If I'm a uncle back, Uncle Fifi Furiata, or the quadro, Mr. Lanchamatin camp.
Yes,
hey.
I know. Fifi. Okay, so you are connected to Fifi.
Yes, maybe I'm a first cousin.
He's my friend.
Yes, no, Mr. Alan camp. Mr. Lanchamatin camp. So, no, Quabre Japan to the President Akufo-Addo Paneshero.
Why?
Yes. You might have to bring him to the station, but that's how vindictive President Akufo-Addo is. That's how vindictive they are. Or no gabini bedi to monade. That's how vindictive they are.
Because Fifi, madam.
Some sort contestee, I think at some point. I don't know whether he tried contesting president himself.
I see.
And then there was something about his association to Kwabena Japan. So they cut him off.
But now Kwabena is back to their fold.
Yeah, he's a hypocrite himself. Or no, so I make a cancel baby and I don't know. Me tis a bedi to yari. First time I can say woman find them catch me as me so woman find them to agenda 1
And so we say and Sister Maria Amwaku Bodu Eden some Ababa to Jan and Yama Samuno Aquaco Young Magana for Edi Hunkomo and 2 for Ira. Adwochino Edna Baba for asem se koba say yakofro se be yu hwanu ani binu busa ne se obetimi edne se sini bopi a kire se ampa krata no eho ene ifriba ya na busa e ma refi se obeja comment e wo video yi ase edema me afi me kai wo se Prophet Dr. Abednego ne number egu ase ho frɛ no na omwa osunsumu ha obi a ukombia wo frɛ Prophet Dr. obetimi aboa e wo ho no na akwakofa castor planto technology e de aba obutu ensawo oreku a opai oje edama nyamema enenti frɛ papa na emwa bi apeno papa emfama ahanso eyetu maji subscribe my page we se wonya ya mi adoba no sa no upload bi aba na unsa etimi aka.
Prophet Dr. Abednego has once again demonstrated the power of God following divine guidance. He established the world first spiritual hospital, Rabboni Spiritual Research and Divine Medical Laboratory. Now, God has directed him to create the Prophet Dr. Abednego Invisible Teaching Hospital, powered by Castoplanto technology. This unique institution will reveal spiritual realities and help you understand the unseen battles affecting your life. Prophet Dr. Abednego Invisible Teaching Hospital is here to uncover and address all spiritual obstacles. Please call us 0208 599 576.